Alright, so another update on the same model. Ooh, I don't mind that. I've been working lately. This is of course Psychommu system Zaku Zeong test type, and we proceeded further. Good news, of course. And I did prime the whole thing and get ready to paint it. Eventually, I will be painted by using. We'll be using a MIG brand acrylic paint, acrylic colors by MIG, and this will be an atom line, which is designed for brush and airbrush. I'm not sure as my phone focuses at all, or probably just me. So basically, it will be a dark green color. It says Atlantic green. I don't have anything closer than this one to an actual color I'm planning to make it. Sure, it will be a little bit darker, more vibrant. Also, I brought myself an acrylic thinner for Amma. We'll look how it will work on this one. It says it's for acrylic paint, for brush and airbrush, and of course spatial. It also has a description which I will try to read. Spatial thinner for acrylic paint. Use it for maximum performance with the airbrush and prevent the paint jamming or clogging. You can use it with brush too. Use our cleaner to clean airbrush and brushes too. I usually do not clean any brushes aside from cleaning them in the water, so I don't know. I'll try something with this, some part, and try without it. We'll see how it will work out. Probably we'll try on the feet first, so let's take a look at the part I'm already primed. I'm used the same brand, MIG brand. It doesn't say MIG. Armor brand. Is that MIG as well? I'm confused. I think it was a MIG. Yes, it's a MIG. It has a MIG description on the top of the container. So basically, I use the same brand for the priming my model, so it is the same product line as the paint and the thinner. So I did a very nice thin layer of the primer. So basically, it's a little bit visible, the original color inside of it. I'll probably will highlight it somewhere else, but it's alright. I did some scribing panel-wise. Yeah, that's visible. Alright, but not much about torso. No, skipped. Haba. And there's a slight problem. I will try to fix it. I have this body unit, but there's a problem with torso. I don't remember if I mentioned or not, but this connection for the arm is kind of limited and will cause me a little bit of discomfort while pausing it, while attaching the arm actually toward the body, and I will try to visually demonstrate this, because you see there is a peg, there is a hole, and we just attach it one to another, and as you can see there is almost no gap between the body and between the shoulder, and this means it will rub to each other with time, and there are also no movement at all, almost some little wiggle, and that's all about it. So I'm planning to improve this before starting painting the body, which will be shortly, I hope, because I'm looking for a few parts, actually for a peg thick enough to be attached to the part inside of this hole, and of course pipe type, so I can attach later to both of them and go into the harmony with this final touch. Alright, so that much about body, about arm. The second arm looks exactly the same. Primed and ready to be painted with brushes. Yeah, that's right, I will be using brushes. I don't have an airbrush and I'm planning to get anyone anytime soon. And we have to look at the leg. Since I did not any modifications at all, I'm just glued and secured a few parts from moving, so I can fuse some dust, some crumbles. I'll have to sand it down. No modifications at all, just only glued, some lines removed, and added some scribing to highlight in the panel lines here and there. So basically it's ready to be painted. To coated, and to decode. So another one leg is identical, so there is nothing to show anymore. And we have a torso part for bottom of the torso. For leg connection there is no problem. There's the thrusters, which are also ready to go, ready to be painted and finished as well. And of course we have helmet and arms. And here we go, helmet. Also primed and ready to be painted. So that much about this and upcoming modifications, if that can be called a modifications for now. And I'll see in making a video after I will make our first paint layer, and this will be our main color for the Zaku. It will be a green, Atlantic green. So that much about this, and stay safe.